Hey guys, Tim Mason here, Steele Creek Printing and Design. If you've been following us for any length of time, you have seen this wall behind me in several of our videos. We always talk about apparel. It's one of our favorite things to do here, but today we're actually talking about something different, and that is this graphic right here. I want to talk to you today about wall murals, especially here at your front of shop, at your info desk, that kind of thing. And so this particular graphic was printed onto removable fathead vinyl, which means that it is paint safe. In a couple years, if we decide to change this or pull it down, we can unpeel it from the wall and put something else up. It is not considered a permanent vinyl, which means that it's perfect for stuff like this. So not only do we offer vinyl decals here on the wall, but we also offer window perf, and I'm going to show you some of that here in a second. So if you come over here, you'll see examples of our window perf. We have a long hallway here at the shop, and every single window all has the same design theme element to this, featured onto this window perf. And window perf is a great, fantastic way to use your window to advertise your product or your company and still be able to use the window, right? Obviously, you can see right through it. It's perforated. So get your front of house advertising materials here. Steele Creek Printing and Design, more than a printing company.